Hey guys, sorry for the stuff I passed over to Brad, but I'm here today with good old Aiden here, good old Ezra, and of course Alduin. So yeah, we're off to, of course, part 2 of the abandoned military base. So let's go. Okay guys, so we are going around the corner here. We were just going to go straight there, but then we realized that we can't. So we're going to try to go like a little bit around, so just so you guys know. So yeah. Even though they probably can't even see really. But yeah. Aiden, so one thing before we go all the way up there. How do you like your first exploration with the boys?
Pretty interesting, honestly.
Cool, because I mean,
an opportunity like this.
Because I mean, you're skipping the tutorial and going straight for the boss.
Yep, fuck tutorials, man. Best way to learn is an experience.
Ooh, doggy. All right, guys.
I went on a camping experience when I was about 14 to 15, so.
Cool.
Had to originally cook for myself.
Indeed.
Yes, that kind of sucks, but eventually I made it out okay. Living at my home. About to step back into what I used to do.
But yeah, guys, I'm going to cut it off here in about a minute. But yeah, Aiden, welcome to the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. We got some fun games. Yep. Well, guys, see you here in a second. A mess back there, so now we're heading forward to our destination. So yeah, guys, we're now heading towards our destination. So we got tons of time. But yeah, guys. Alright guys, so yeah. Away is that way. You probably can't see it, but it's right over there. So see you guys when we get over there, I guess. Or see you guys when I pick this back up again. Okay guys, so we're almost there. But yeah. Here we are, guys. We're like almost there. The tree line's right there. This is the longest thing that we've ever done, boys and girls.
Yeah, I'm still gonna be sleeping outside of.
Woo!
Like I told my mom, now that I have the opportunity at the house.
Woo! Yeah, guys. Make sure you guys thank guys for this trip because oh man, this is a long one. Alright guys, I'm going to cut you guys off for now. Okay guys, so me and the boys just arrived at our destination. Exactly, Ezra.
Finally.
To be fair, one thing about it, if we just hit from the beginning of it and over to right here, it would have been a lot more faster.
Yeah, we can just follow this road straight there.
Exactly. So guys, I'm going to pick this up as soon as we get a little bit more color, so tune in. Woo! Guys, look what we found in the woods here.
That's a gas barrel.
Apparently.
And it's
old.
okay, look, hold up.
That's old. What?
There's a hole right there, so it's no longer in use, so we don't gotta worry about that.
Well, that's good. Well.
It's full of gas, dude, like fucking fumes and shit. I don't want to fuck with it, though, because it gets fire.
Exactly. So let's not, Aiden, let's not do that, okay, Count Dracula?
Hey, do the damn freedom, leave it alone.
Yeah, but we need to find a clearing.
Literally right here.
Oh, right there? Okay. Okay.
Shall we begin?
I guess. All right, so, hey,
What's up?
we made it.
Yep.
Whew.
You can put that headlamp on your head, you know.
Oh, I know I could. Whew.
What do you want me to?
So, what do you think of your first adventure?
Let me see that. Yeah.
All right.
Come on.
But yeah, but what do you think of the first adventure, though?
Pretty fun.
All right.
Let me see right now.
All right. See you guys here in a minute, okay? Yeah, guys, look, Alduin is doing his dirty work.
Hey, that can give us some great. Yo, wait! If we count that tips flying off, we got kindling.
True.
Oh my fucking god!
Yeah,
What was the point of breaking the axe?
Exactly. Alduin did it, boys.
Firewood.
Sweet Alduin.
Some of that off.
Exactly, Count Dracula. Exactly.
Right? Yeah, that bitch sounds like it's gonna fly off. Doesn't it?
Oh yeah. Yeah, guys. Right at this point, we're just camping out, really. I need to take off this book bag though. Oh, that feels better. Oh, that feels way better. Oh my god. Yeah, sorry guys. Sorry I got that because I mean we had a long walk here. Right, Aiden?
My eyes.
Sorry. Sorry. That's just finally back. Oh.
Yeah, he's swung it once, I bet.
Sorry.
Bro. Like, you can still use the handle, but...
Yeah.
Alright, what were you chopping that?
Yeah, here's something that.
You can see where he got that one good swing.
Oh yeah.
As Ezra continues to keep the dirty work going.
Oh yeah, no joke. My shoulders though.
Behind you.
Yeah, which is the one.
Just point the light straight up. Shit.
Oh yeah. There you go.
Ow. Just point it at the ground.
Okay, there you go.
Point it at the ground.
Point at ground. There you go.
Alright.
Get all this shit off.
Yeah.
Finally.
Oh yeah, no joke.
Oh, fuck me.
Exactly.
Wait, what do you mean by that?
What?
Huh?
What?
Huh?
What?
Huh?
What?
Huh?
What?
Ezra, what are you gonna do with this? Chunk it, man. I don't give a fuck.
Wait. We could use that for firewood.
Oh, it's gone now. It's got,
Yeah.
you can see it's got like a thick layer of like linseed oil or something. And that
You got a good polish, so.
shit, yeah. They don't like to stop us from getting the fire out of it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That's why I was kicking.
You got another
Yeah, but
axe,
I
don't
kicked. Aiden watched me push this fucking tree over that they're sitting on.
Oh yeah, Alduin.
Like dead ass. I pushed
Oh yeah,
that shit.
he's set up.
Oh yeah. And there's the best axe right there.
I'm gonna use this one. You can use that one.
The axe that you guys will see on the Werewolf movie when it comes out.
I don't.
Okay, there.
Think you know why.
Oh yeah.
It kind of broke. Think you were swinging it a little off.
Oh yeah, man.
Oh, I hit the blade.
Yeah, the blade hit smack on.
Contact. Well, you're not supposed to hit it dead on. You're supposed to hit it out.
Ah, no, that's my stick.
Probably what it broke.
No, that's my stick. Nobody touch my stick.
So much swing into it.
Nobody touch my stick. My stick.
Can you just keep in mind that if it were to actually break how it's supposed to, it would break the opposite way? Like,
Also, guess
yeah, it
what?
would break the
Also,
opposite way.
think about this. If this was a... Hey, Aiden.
Tyler,
Ezra.
yeah.
Yeah, sorry. But I mean, if this was a zombie apocalypse, my god, we would be surviving big time right now.
Well, if we were in a zombie apocalypse, we'd probably just stay in the trailer park and clear it out.
True. We would.
And just stay there.
Toward the place, wouldn't we?
Probably.
We would definitely tip over trailers and use them as walls, though.
Oh yeah.
Yep. We'd rip out trailer walls and board the windows with them.
Works, isn't it?
Oh yeah, beautiful.
Beautiful, yeah.
What I'm saying though, since I got that matchbox, right? We could use that as a fire starter.
Yeah, good job, Count Dracula.
And then we could...
Sorry. Alright guys, I will pause you for now. Okay guys, so we're almost done setting up the fire stuff now. So Alduin, Aiden, and Ezra got it all. Whoa. Yeah, hold on boys. Yeah, there we go guys. So we were almost done with the firewood stuff.
Drywall.
Like, there should be plenty off in. Actually,
just like dead wood. Oh, that works.
Yep, there you go.
Oh yeah, that's a nice kindling.
Oh yeah. I'm the snack guy right now.
Yeah, you're the camera light guy. We are. What are we doing?
Yeah.
I went and got all the wood.
Tyler's not much for getting wood.
As you see me doing my survival strategies up
You know, like that kind of wood and the other kind of wood.
Wow, okay.
Wow, the kind of wood that me and Ezra would take.
Okay, Alduin.
What? Am I lying?
No.
No. Ezra's getting the fire on.
I'm shaving up some wood up in here.
Cool.
Alright.
Just trying to get the fire going.
Should I get the matchbox out too?
To be fair, nothing's happening and I like it.
It's a little too good.
Hagen, don't
I might actually.
go there. Because to be fair, after we're done and sign up to fire and camp, I think we're gonna go exploring.
I know, I want to go explore the fucking couch. Watching the back of my eyelids, you know?
To be fair.
Anyone got a better zippo than mine?
Dakota has ours on him.
Alright, Alduin. Okay guys, so we we did have a fire, but it's just a little bit
It's
now.
a smolder right now. Just give it time.
Oh yeah, Ezra. There's a smolder. What do you think, Alduin?
We'll catch eventually.
Yeah.
Just keep adding fuel to it, it'll catch it.
Careful, Aiden. So yeah guys, we just had a major bombshell up here. Oh yeah.
That works.
Oh yeah. Sweet. Yeah guys, right now we're just chilling out, having a good time.
If you want to snipe something, go over and smack that tree.
Be fair, even to be.
You put out a fire.
No, you put out the fire.
Hold up.
I need that.
God dang it, Aiden. Why? Gosh darn it. We had a fire going and everything. Come on. Yeah, let's hope so.
We're making progress, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna throw that head over the top of the trees down.
Try it, Alduin. Go for it. God dang it.
Oh, fuck. My legs asleep.
My legs are too.
I can't even feel my legs. What the fuck you guys going on about?
There you go. Sweet.
Yeah? Come with me, home dog. We're gonna talk about
Go with Alduin. Yeah, guys. I will come back to you guys here in a minute. Once stuff comes back in order. Yeah. We got fire, baby. We got fire. Yeah. So we got Ezra chopping down this tree.
Can I get the other axe that can break these bitches? Oh, I won't break it. I don't swing as hard as Dakota.
Good old Alduin.
I don't want to.
Yeah, because Alduin,
Man, you've been making progress.
he's got it.
Wait, why don't we just take something to wrap around it?
True.
We ain't got nothing to wrap around it right now.
Yeah.
So he's gonna make a hatchet out of it?
Pretty much.
Should be able to just break the rest off.
Yeah, I wouldn't be standing close to that, Dakota.
That's my move.
Yep.
Here, home dog, I'm just gonna finish swinging where I was.
Yeah.
How come we haven't touched the tent?
I know.
That's true.
Well, I've been trying to get the fire. It's still smoking.
Yeah.
You can finish doing that, but I'm gonna chop where I was, because it's already...
Call a couple people to get the tent going, too.
Huh?
Hey, why don't you and Tyler get the tent going?
On it.
Alright.
Yours is either.
Oh, I know. Let's go. Alduin's about to chop down that tree.
Catch the headlamp.
Ah! There it goes. Yeah. Want some of what? Nah. Aiden is still Count Dracula even off camera. Because his eyes glow even on camera. No, not really. His mostly does.
Yeah, I'm like a fucking evil villain. His eyes glow.
You got Alduin. Head be smoky. Darn it.
Gotta hit the air.
Dang it. Hit me. Oh, there it goes. Come on, Alduin.
More.
Got you a bit harder.
Am I in the shot? What's up, y'all?
It's Count Dracula, aka Shaggy.
Alright. Do I want to do this again?
No.
Fuck no.
Alduin's almost got it.
Oh my fucking god.
Jeez. They're both doing it now.
Oh, he's on the tree.
What the fuck are they doing?
Bro, don't have anal sex at the tree. Bro was trying to fuck the tree.
No joke, Count.
As a wise man once said, protection later.
Be fair, you would know that more than anybody, Count Dracula.
The eye does not need protection when one has a dick.
But you got plenty of.
As a wise man once said, I am yet just a mistake from a fault.
Woo! No, he's got it.
Hey, Ezra. As a wise man once said, I am yet the aftermath of faulty weather.
True. Oh gosh. You got Alduin.
Tell me that doesn't sound wrong.
Oh gosh, that's funny.
We can
Yeah. Oh! Do it! Oh, Ezra.
I can't tell if that was something else. Oh,
Oh.
yeah, that's Wee-oo, 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 wee-oo.
Woo!
Let's go, round of applause.
And applause to Alduin. Yay!
Clap for him.
Yay!
I'm kidding. Clap.
Yeah, no joke, Alduin. Boom. I did in my head.
But he couldn't hear it.
I'm sorry, Mr. Count Dracula. I can't help that.
There's no need to be impatient.
Yeah. Oh no, he's stoned out his mind.
I wouldn't be stoned. I wouldn't be stoned out of my mind.
I know you do.
I'm probably something without a doubt.
Oh yeah you were.
Retard, that's the one. Yep.
Most likely Alduin.
Retard plus that orange juice, that'd be hitting different.
Oh yeah.
It'd be hitting you different too.
Okay.
Dude, are you on shrooms or something?
Whoa. I've seen eye shine, I think. Yeah. Alright guys, so we might be leaving here in a minute, even though our tin here's pretty much the crap at this point.
We gave up. We don't want to do this anymore.
Nah. Plus guys, yes, this video kind of was a bust, but I'm still gonna upload because we still got some funny stuff in here. So yeah. Exactly. Yeah, I was shining on it. in there because, you know, you never know what's in there. Because this channel, I mean, we got all kinds of stuff that happens in woods.
Let me pack up here.
Alduin's still pissed at this tree. He chopped it in half.
What's happening right now? We got cans actually.
Okay.
Yeah. Spaghetti
Oh, gonna be
goes
pissed.
bad. Thanks, man.
Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna be pissed over there. Oh, man.
Like
Yeah.
Brooks and shit?
Yeah.
Bad. I'm gonna crack some SpaghettiOs up in here.
I'm about to eat some chili with cheese.
Check out what you want.
One is right now currently destroying some more wood. Hey fans, you love when he when he does this stuff. Holy crap! I know. We've seen that happen. Alduin be pissed. Alduin hate nature. Alduin kill nature. Alduin kill nature. Alduin kill nature.
Hey, you guys ready to pack up?
Alduin?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, get packed up.
Alright, boys. You okay? Okay. Alright, guys, so I think we're about done here now. Yeah.
Just dropped off everything that was heavy.
Yeah, pretty much.
Alright, Tyler, get the snack.
Alright.
Someone wants to grab this box too?
Well, guys, I think we're pretty much done here now. Hey, Ezra.
I don't know, do you want to grab it?
Hey, Ezra. Any final thoughts, brother?
You got to say that, man? You got extra thing,
Yeah, Ezra. Aiden. Any final thoughts?
right? Yeah, I'm tired.
True. Ezra?
Tired.
Yeah, okay. Well, guys, we'll see you in the next video, of course. So, unless something funny happens when we're walking back, then I'll pick this up. But for now, see ya.
I still gotta put carry that in.
Sure. All right, guys. See ya.
Well, actually, you could just stick this in a snack bag.
Sure. All right, guys. See you later.
You hit my joint, man. I take the fattest rip fucking can.
Houdini.
Like and subscribe. Oh, he's recording.
Yes, I am. Yes, I was.
You cannot put that on there.
I'm not.
You gotta put that out.